everyone, and thanks for joining me today for what's in my Aliexpress basket. We have lots of gorgeous flowers, buttons, lots of different bits and pieces for you. Now I found these wonderful pearl buckles. They're from 47p and you can choose 10, 50 or 100, and these are brilliant to just run your ribbons through, to use on cards, journals, and whatever you want to use them for. These are just delicious. I do love buckles, and I don't have that many, so I thought I would add some to my basket today and show you them. Then we have these velvet bows that you get 60 pieces for £3.08. Lovely, especially for Christmas projects. Those green and red would be wonderful for Christmas projects, but I love velvet anyway. Something about it is super lovely. And I have lots of satin bows and not too many velvet bows, so I thought I would get me some. We've been stocking up. I've been stocking up on bows and all sorts of things. Don't forget just to click on the link in the description if you want to order any of these products. There is one link. It will take you to the seller's shop, and they have lots of yummy goodies, just like these 50-piece ribbon bows with this lovely lace around them, £3.08. Just gorgeous flowers, and they have the lovely rosebud, satin rosebuds in the middle of those. They are beautiful. Right, what do we have next? Okay. Oh, hang on a minute. These are... No, I haven't written the price of this one down. But look at these chiffon flowers with a lovely polka dot button in the middle. Haven't written a price because I'm a dingbat. But they will be inexpensive. Trust me, because you know me. I do not spend that much money on things. Right, now these are what we've got coming up. 50-piece mix of ribbon bows, and these are £3.08, and they're just lovely. These polka dot bows with the satin like ribbon in the middle. They are just lovely, lovely, lovely. Lots of different layers going on here, a bit different than the ones that I normally have. And yes, so I had to get some. Now, what are these called? These are, now I've lost my way completely here. I don't know which ones these are. So these are, now I believe these are £3.08 or they're £3.33. They're just these gorgeous fabric flowers. They're just a bit different than the normal ones that I have. They are lovely. I really did lose my way that way. I do not know what happened there. Then we have these 20-piece wooden Christmas hearts, £1.90. We are getting ready for Christmas, so I did go and order some. I'm ordering some of these after I've done this video. These have lovely snowflakes on, and they are just lovely, £1.90. I think what's happened is I've actually missed something out of the photos, but just go along to the store because they have so many things. They really do. The shop has so many gorgeous things. Again, we have some gorgeous satin flowers. These have polka dots on them, and they just got a rhinestone in the middle. They're quite little, they're small, but they're lovely to put on projects. And these are £3.08 for 40 pieces. So they're inexpensive. Then we have some more Christmas buttons, Christmas things. We have these Christmas buttons. Now, these are from 47p for 10, and then you can order 50 or 100, and they've got lots of little Christmassy things on them, and they're square buttons, so they're a bit different as well than the round ones that we normally get. I do have a lot of Christmas buttons, but I do not have square ones. And of course, if you're doing Christmas projects, you're going to need some green sequin trim. We have to have some of that. Now you get 20 yards of this green sequin trim for £3.37 for 20 yards. Do you know how far 20 yards will get you? It will get you a long way. And I also have coming up some white sequin trim as well, so just keep watching for that if you're wanting that. And then we have these gorgeous little fabric little rosebuds. They are just adorable. They're 100 pieces, little rosebuds, £2.07 with the little green satin leaves at the back. Now these are super diddy, but they're super cute to put on projects. I have rosebuds, but not as dinky as these ones, and you do get 100 of them. And then coming up we have the 20 yards of bright white sequin trim, £3.37. I didn't find the red one yet. I've got green and I've got white, but I need red now, so I have to hunt out the red. I'm sure this seller does have red, but at the moment I've just ordered the bright white, and they are AB as well, which makes them even more delicious. You don't have to have this for Christmas trim though, do you? You can use this any time of the year, trust me. Right, okay, next we have these lovely fabric bows. You get 10 pieces and they're £2.07. Stripy bows with these lovely little crochet flowers in the middle and a lovely rhinestone. They are really fun, aren't they? Lots of fun. Sorry, just having a sip of my coffee before my voice runs out. But yeah, I just thought that these would be fun. Remind me of the Gorgeous Girl sort of bows, that they're all stripy. Then we have these Santa buttons, £1.10 for 20 pieces, but you can also order 50 or 100 if you need lots more Santas. So as you can see, I'm preparing for Christmas. If I see Christmas things, I think, you know what, let's get them and stick them in my Christmas craft box, so that we are ready for Christmas. Right, okay, now love the colour of these flowers. These gorgeous 40-piece flowers in this lovely green, £3.08. As you know, green is one of my favourite colours, and this olive green is definitely one of my favourite colours, and it's sort of sparkly as well. So it's kind of greeny, olivey with a tint of gold in there. They looks like that anyway. They look very delicious. Little rosebuds. Okay, then we have 30 pieces, 2-layer padded hearts, £1.78. And I don't know, I just thought that these are beautiful, you know, even just to put in Happy Mail, to give them away. I don't know, you know, how else you would use them. I suppose you would use them, you could put them on a card, but I don't know how thick they are without seeing them, to where we can put them really. Put them on the front of a journal, on a gift box, lots of different uses. Now I have this trim in the pearly colour, ivory colour, but I do not have it in pink. You get 2 yards of pink pearl trim for £1.78. And I don't know why I haven't got the pink in my stash already. I really don't know why, because I've seen it before, just didn't order it. So we have put that right by ordering it now. There you go. Then we have some more hearts, 50 pieces, polka dot fabric flatbacks. They're £1.66. So as you can see, they're very easy to attach to projects because they have the flat back on there, which means you can glue them down very easily, and lots of fun. Use them as a centre of a flower or on a card. You can use them in lots of different places. Not quite sure where I'm going to use them at the moment. We have some more bows. There's 24 pieces of bright organza bows in bright colours, £3.33, and these are really fun colours. That's what I call the brights. The brights, they're not sort of pastels and they're not vintage colours, but they're brights. So that's what I'm going to call them, brights. Excuse me. What have we got left? 2 more things in the basket. We have 100 pieces, more Christmas buttons, lots of Santas and reindeers on these, and I think the snowman as well, and they are £1.78 for 100. I'm looking forward to using these because that will just give me lots and lots of buttons for lots and lots of Christmas projects. And one more last thing in the basket, we have, what do we have? 20 pieces, large polka dot bows, £1.78. They're the two layer bows, what I call double bows, and they are lovely polka dots. I'm into polka dots at the moment. It's got my lovely favourite pink in there, and then you've got lovely orangey one that you could use on maybe a Halloween card. Really nice colours there, and I do like the pink and the black. Normally I don't do black things, but with the pink that looks beautiful. So that's what's in my basket today. Don't forget to click on the link. It will take you to the seller's shop, which they have some really inexpensive items, pocket money, craft items. So go grab yourself a bargain, and I will see you next time. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Take care. Bye bye.